Oh, she's stuck. Her hair's stuck to that point.
Come on.
Oh, man.
Come on, Billy. Come on. Come on.
I don't know. I think she has a little bit of her tail stuck to that little tree over there.
What's this one right there?
Yeah, I don't know. I feel like she's like, I don't know, like her hair's stuck.
Come on. Come on, Billy. Come on.
Meanwhile,
Come on.
much.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
I really don't know what the hell is going on right now. Now she's not. You know what? There's a little branch under her. I think that's what's bothering her.
Well, she's moving. What is
I don't know.
Come on.
Oh my God. We're really stuck over here on these horses. What the fuck?
Come on, Billy. Come on.
Oh, there you go. It's like ripping under her damn belly though. It really is.